Did you know that a stability ball workout can reduce spinal pressure by up to 40% while strengthening your core? Watch how Olivia transformed her posture and stress levels. Living in a fast-paced world filled with deadlines and social expectations, Olivia discovered that traditional workouts weren't enough. She turned to stability ball exercises, incorporating dynamic movements that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. The unstable surface of the ball forces her core muscles to work overtime, naturally aligning her spine and improving her posture throughout the day. During her 30-minute sessions, she performs controlled movements that challenge her balance while strengthening deep postural muscles. But Olivia's wellness journey doesn't stop there. Between sets, she practices deep breathing techniques, inhaling for 4 counts and exhaling for 6, which helps regulate her cortisol levels. This simple yet powerful combination of stability work and breath control has become her secret weapon against daily stress. The results speak for themselves: improved posture, better metabolic conditioning, and a calmer mindset. Even during high-pressure meetings, she maintains her composure through these practiced techniques. Want to know the specific stability ball exercises Olivia uses to maintain perfect posture? Drop it in the comments below.